need a freaking S22 Ultra, bro.
Qué belleza.
I feel like I'm touching
Uy,
How could you say that?
Because I'm really spinal freaking break, bro. This is the quality of the photos, bro. It ain't that great. That one's bad.
Why is that no research?
Ready?
So funny. Yes, birds, you're giving. Oh my god, no, no.
ay,
Oh my god. They all better jump in there.
ay, qué bonito.
They're communicating. It's because I told them that they were slaves. They got half the slaves.
I want to do photography, low-key. Like nature
Real.
photography. Like I'm gonna get a good camera and everything. I'm gonna be like nature spots, just like
Oh my god, real.
National Geographic. I stuttered. Shut up. Ready, guys?
No.
Ay, qué bonito.
Give me a little bit.
Huh?
Oh damn, bro, he's shaking.
Hola.
He is in
Huh? Huh?
Ya se fueron, va.
Yes.
You're sick.
Get it?
Never mind.
Yes.
Thank you though. You're sick.
You're literally hugging me right now. You will get sick.
No,
Yeah.
I'm not doing it like that. You're tongue into my hand, so I just have to keep my hand away from my mouth or like my eye or something.
I know. Excellent.
I got you. If you fell, you're light. I can just.
No.
Okay.
¿Nos vamos, mamá?
They're swimming away. They left them behind. They're still on the rock.
¿Nos vamos, mis amores? Ay, amiga.
Me bañé y todo, pasó atrás.
¿Sí?
When they say back skills,
Aquí,
they mean
ahí está la cruz todavía de donde murió el Señor. ¿No? Está la cruz todavía donde murió el Señor.
Mira eso, cámara ahí.
Oh, aquí duerme, ¿verdad?
Shut up.
Ya no está la cruz, ¿verdad? Del Señor que murió aquí, ¿ve?